Back at you, got a new trick shot for you. Got the cards. Put one card out through the middle. Trick is to get back 70 feet and shoot just under or below this card to remove it from the deck without actually harming this card. See if we can do it.
Okay, first shot. Try to go right above it. Nope. Oh, almost.
Alright, didn't do what I wanted to do. I harmed the card. I don't know if these bullets carry enough friction going by targets to actually do this trick or not. I'd like to see if somebody else can do it. It works with a real rifle. I used to do it with 22 regular all the time. But I came really close. I mean, I just scratched that thing. Thanks. See you guys next time.